Honors U.S. History students, here's our week's preview. So starting today, Wednesday, start checking the green personal project folder. Just get used to doing that. There's a video I made about it that's available for you to watch. But if you just check out that folder, you'll probably see all the things that you need and you'll figure it out. There's one form to fill out that's at the top of that folder. But yeah, start looking at that. The personal project is something now we'll start talking about. Also, starting tomorrow, there's a great documentary about the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights being you could call compromise to the Anti-Federalists to get the Constitution ratified. And this documentary shows its significance and its challenges and its difficulties. The documentary is called Shouting Fire on the Edge of Free Speech. And there's a number of stories that really push the boundaries of free speech and perhaps makes you think about the importance of having a constitution in the first place. On Friday, so you'll have a couple days to do that. And then on Friday, we start this activity that I talked about last week. And it's the first major challenge to the Constitution in the form of Southern secession. So we'll be doing a document analysis on one of the declarations of secession. Following that on Monday, and I know you have the pre-SAT that day, so this is a rather short assignment. If you know anything about the Gettysburg Address, you know that it was only a couple of minutes. So it's a very short speech. It's a simple activity about the Gettysburg Address as we work towards how secession was dealt with. We'll be looking this coming week at the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments. That is it. Oh, the last thing on Tuesday is to complete the first journal. And you'll see what the first journal is. It's just a brainstorm. But again, if you want to do all those journals right away, great. If you've already done them, I think that's obviously even better. But if you haven't started, it's no big deal. You can go at your own pace. There's certain things that you'll need to do weekly, but just get in the habit of starting to look at that. And if you have any questions, please ask.